welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to do a new brand introduction. In this video I'm going to do a first impression on a new brand, new products from Botanica. You guys know Clovia, isn't it? Girls would know Clovia. Clovia is a popular lingerie brand, and this year they have launched their skincare brand. So this is the box they have sent me. Inside this the products are placed. So these are the products from Botanica, Clovia's skincare brand. So these are the products. Let me show you guys the products. So this is the Clovia's Botanica 10-in-1 Hair Fall Control Oil. And I have received the Clovia Botanica Matcha Tea Face Mask. And they also have a vitamin C face serum with hyaluronic acid and aloe vera. As you can see, I have not opened the package. I am gonna do it with you guys. And finally, I have received the Clovia Botanica Anti-Acne Face Wash. Okay, so let me open the face wash first. I could see the face wash as a gel texture, which is so good for oily skin. I have oily skin, I'm so excited for this. It smells very good. It has a kind of a sandalwood smell to it. It has a lemon, chamomile oil and vitamin E. It smells like sandalwood. Don't know if it has sandalwood in it. No, it doesn't have sandalwood. It has basil extract, chamomile, vitamin E, orange extract, lemon extract. Maybe it's a fruit fragrance I'm getting. It's a nice fragrance, guys. I love this. I didn't even use it, but I'm already loving the fragrance. They have said use twice daily for better results. Pair it with Clovia Botanica Anti-Acne Face Pack once a week. Moisten your face, and there's some directions for use, manufacturing details and all of that. It is natural, it has essential oil, it is vegan, Ayurvedic and made safe. It is free from harmful chemicals, sulfates, parabens and toxins. It is an anti-acne face wash, so it will take care of acne, and this as gel texture, as I mentioned before, it is something that is suitable for oily to combination skin types, especially acne prone skin. I have this spray bottle filled with water so that I can use it during my videos. I'm going to wet my face using water. Now I'm going to use this. I'm going to take a pump. Since this is a new product, it is taking several pumps for the gel to come out. Yeah. Oh, it's almost clear. I think this much is enough for me. Let me see if it's good in removing my lipstick. Yes guys, this does not have sandalwood fragrance, this has a fruity fragrance. I could smell so much of lemon in it. I don't know why I felt like sandalwood smell. Let me wash my face and be back. I am back after washing my face, and this face wash did not dry out my skin. So this one is not at all dry, which is so good. And this one, what I liked so much is it removed my liquid matte lipstick, guys. I did not do anything after that. What you saw on camera is the only thing that I did, and without any makeup remover, it removed my liquid matte lipstick. I'm impressed with this. This made my skin soft and clean. So moving on to the next step, which is a face mask. We have the Clovia's Botanica Matcha Tea Face Mask. This has aloe vera in it, matcha green tea, seaweed extracts. And it says apply evenly over cleansed face and neck, avoid the eye area. Give it about 10 minutes to dry off completely. 10 minutes, guys. I'm up for this. And step 3 is to gently remove with warm towel and pat dry using a soft clean towel. Basically wash your face off with. I guess the product will be green in color. I guess the face pack will be green in color. Let's hope. face pack is green. Okay, muddy green. This comes in a glass container. So this face pack is for deep hydration. Oily skin girls also need hydration. It doesn't mean that if you are oily skin, you don't need moisturizer or you don't need hydration. Everything you do need, guys. So I'm taking the face pack on my brush. The face pack seems to be good in consistency. Usually ready-made face packs will be very thick to apply, but this one glides on smoothly. I don't have to mix this with water or rose water or any other stuff. We can directly use this on our face. And I have finished applying the face pack on my face. This face pack needs just 10 minutes. You need just 10 minutes for this face pack. After 10 minutes we can wash this face pack off. So meanwhile I will take you through the rest of the products. So I've got the Clovia Botanica 10-in-1 Hair Fall Control Oil with the marula, onion seed, castor, curry leaf oil and vitamin E. Okay, I love hair oils, guys. I have a lot of hair oils because hair oil is very important and I believe it is a primary step in taking care of your hair. Let me take you through the ingredients, guys. It has like barely just 10 ingredients and all of these are oils. It has onion seed oil, sesame oil, castor oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E, tea tree oil, rosemary oil, grapeseed oil, hibiscus oil, curry leaf oil and marula seed oil. It is made with essential oils, vegan, Ayurvedic, made safe and natural. This natural oil gives you essential dose of nutrition required to strengthen the hair and prevent breakage. Ooh, I like the cap of it. I think this will not make the application messy. It will not, because the cap is like, I don't know the name of the cap, but this is so easy to apply. This will be easy to apply. And the oil is a golden yellow in color because it has onion seed oil as its first ingredient. So this will be golden yellow in color. The oil is not that heavy. I won't say it is lightweight, but it is not that heavy. You will not get headache or something like that because of heaviness. And what I would like to do with this hair oil is that I would apply this hair oil on my roots and scalp, put a bath and go to sleep. The next morning I will wash my hair. So as you guys saw, my face pack started to dry immediately, and as I was talking it was drying. This face pack is not very tightening, guys. So even sensitive skin type can use this face pack. It is not that tightening because you could see I'm effortlessly talking. So this is suitable for all skin types. So I washed my face with just water, and this mask you could see on camera, guys. This has brightened my dull skin. This is so good. It is, my skin feels so soft. And again, clay mask. It is a clay mask. This did not dry out my skin at all, which is a yay. Yeah. So moving on to the last step, which is the serum. We have the Clovia Botanica Vitamin C Face Serum with hyaluronic acid and aloe vera. It brightens and nourishes the skin. It has Ayurvedic goodness in it. And the ingredients, guys, I'm actually very shocked to see the ingredients, guys. It has just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just 8 ingredients for a face serum. I've never seen a face serum that has just 8 ingredients. Superb. Clovia has done a very good job in selecting their ingredients. It has just 8 ingredients, and it also has a radish root extracts. Interesting. It has a vegetable glycerin, hyaluronic acid, vitamin C. So what it says is the vitamin C boosts collagen production, reduces wrinkles and fine lines, brightens the skin. Aloe vera controls hyperpigmentation, hydrates and evens the skin tone. Hyaluronic acid fights aging by retaining skin elasticity and keep conditioning of the skin. The fragrance is nice. Again, it feels like orangey lemon fragrance. And also they did not add any color to it, which will aggravate the acne prone skin and sensitive skin even more. Thank God they did not add any color into it. This is quick absorbing, guys. It doesn't take time. See, it got absorbed even before I massage it. Yeah. All done. And all of these products are made in India and it is against animal testing. So guys, if you wanted to purchase a good quality vitamin C serum and if you wanted to take care of your acne, then go for the Botanica's anti-acne face wash because it has a gel consistency and it will definitely suit your skin type. So do go for that. And if you're searching for a face mask that is not like too tightening, something that you can use it regularly, and then go for the Botanica's matcha green tea face mask because it has the perfect consistency. And again, all the products I love it, guys, and especially the hair oil. And I have not used the hair oil today because I can't put my face mask and hair oil at the same time because I would catch cold, and that is the reason why I didn't use this hair oil today. But I will be using this hair oil, and also I will do a updated video on the hair oil very soon. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Until then, I will see you in my next video. This is me, Deepti, signing off. Bye bye. Take care.
Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.